हेरिटेज के बारे में थोड़ा सा प्रकाश डालना चाहूँगा। और मैं समझता हूँ कि हेरिटेजेस include the traditions, qualities, and culture of a country that have existed for a long time and that have great importance for the country. A person's ethnic or religious background is also called heritage because individuals constitute society and societies constitute state and states constitute the nation. So it is a term for traditions, achievements, and cultural traits passed down from previous generations as well as the historical buildings, sites, natural environment that are considered important. It encompasses physical objects like buildings and artifacts as well as intangible things like customs, knowledge, languages, and different art, dramas, etc. It represents a collective legacy that connects people to their past and helps define a community's or nation's identity. So it is a very vast subject, and every country in the world or every society in the world has got uh, respective heritages for them. Heritages are mostly of generally two kinds: tangible and intangible. About intangible heritage, it is said that it is the soul of culture, while tangible heritage is its body. It is living, dynamic, and keeps evolving. The people continue to practice, adapt, and share it. Tangible heritages refers to all physical or material objects, sites, constructions that have cultural, historical, and archaeological significance. These are things you can see, touch, and feel, and they represent the visible legacy of a community's past. मैं इसलिए अवेकनिंग का जिक्र उन्होंने किया है, इसलिए इसको डिफाइन करना उचित समझता हूँ, क्योंकि स्कूल कॉलेज के बच्चों को या विद्यार्थियों को या इवन रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स को हेरिटेजेस का जो शाब्दिक अर्थ है, जितनी व्यापकता है, उसकी जानकारी बहुत लोगों को नहीं है। वो सिर्फ आर्कियोलॉजिकल एविडेंस से ही समझते हैं, मूर्ति से समझते हैं, लेकिन टेंजिबल और इंटेंजिबल में दोनों तरह के हेरिटेजेस कवर अप हो जाते हैं। मूवेबल दो तरह का होता है: मूवेबल ट्रांजिबल हेरिटेज, objects that can be physically moved, such as paintings, sculptures, manuscripts, jewelry, coins, tools, and weapons, musical instruments, textiles, and crafts. Second category is of immovable tangible heritages, things that are fixed or attached to a place, such as monuments, temples, forts, palaces, archaeological sites, ruins, historical buildings, bridges, and landscape. Intangible heritages refer to the non-physical aspect of culture, the living traditions, practices, knowledge, and expressions that communities pass down from one generation to the next. Unlike tangible heritages, building monuments or artifacts, intangible heritages exist in people's memories, performances, and daily living style. According to UNESCO, tangible cultural heritages includes oral traditions and expressions, intangible. I'm talking about intangible. Oral tradition and expressions, folk dances, proverbs, stories, songs, poetry. All these are covered by the heritages. Performing arts, music, dance, theater, social practices, rituals, and festive events, ceremonies, festivals, community celebrations like Chhat Puja in Bihar, and now it is prevalent all over the country. Knowledge and practices concerning nature and the universe, traditional medicines, farming methods, and weather forecasting